Dan, talk about the hikes and really the timing of these hikes. What do we know potentially about what is driving the group's decisions?
Well, Jennifer, they decided to bring this conference one day forward. Our understanding from reporting is that this is just really a scheduling issue to make it easier for them. Nobody's really expecting any difference to the outcome of the meeting. The market's broadly expecting, as you said, a third straight big production hike. Saudi Arabia and the other groups that are leading this are really looking to do a couple of things here. One is, obviously to sort of punish the scofflaws in the group who have been cheating by producing above their output quotas. But they're also seeing that these years of withholding oil to keep prices up and help their balance sheets, it's been costing them market share, and so there is a little bit of market share to claw back. The real question is, as this new production comes out there, will it be absorbed? We're looking at a lot of tariff uncertainties over the next couple of weeks with all these different negotiations going on between the U.S. and different countries. And here in China, the world's biggest import market, they're seeing a lot of gasoline's share loss to EVs and a slower economy. So the real question is not going to be on the supply side. The real question is going to be, is there going to be demand to meet this, or are we going to see further losses in the oil price this summer?
Yeah, and Dan, I just want to stick on that. What does that mean for oil prices? What will really be the determining factor of where we see prices going from here?
Yeah, a lot of it's going to end up being, can the market absorb this oil? OPEC is showing no signs yet of slowing down this output increase. Prices are down already year to date, but they have been they've stabilized quite a bit. A couple weeks ago, when we first found out about this potential for a huge 411,000 barrel a day increase this month or in July, that shocked prices down below $60. But they've recovered a little bit, and there are a lot of bullish factors. I mean, if you told me a couple of years ago we were in a world, with multiple wars and threats of, an Israeli-Iranian conflict, those are really, really supportive for oil prices. But right now there's just so much supply awash right now that there's not demand yet to sop it up. So that's where people are going to need to be focused on for the rest of this year.